Yes, students, is the PPT is visible?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in last class we have seen the in previous classes we have seen the selectors, how to use a different selectors, how to use different selector we have seen, and we have seen the program examples also, and we have seen these font properties, and we applied these from font property in the programs, the variant, size, style, weight, family, all these things we have seen in the last class. And we have also seen the layers in the layers of a web page. In the layer of a web page, we can set the width and height value, top and the left value, and the z index value, and the position of a element or a position of a data also we have seen, with the help of a position, the value, that is absolute and relative we have seen. So I told that today I'll begin with the JavaScript. So before I start with the JavaScript, some of the uh, HTML5 tags I want to discuss here. But this meta tag is not a HTML5 tag, student. But I told you, in the first lab program, this meta tag is also there. This meta tag is there. So I missed the meta tag. I told this meta tag I'll explain later. I told. So I'm explaining that meta tag here. So I'll begin with the meta tag only, students. I'll begin with this meta tag. So this meta tag, it gives the additional information about the data. This meta tag, a meta tag defines the metadata about the HTML program or HTML document. This metadata has the information. Metadata is a data. See, this meta we call as a metadata. We call as a metadata. This metadata gives the additional information in the program. This metadata gives the additional information in the program. And whatever the information we give in the metadata, that will not be displayed in the web page. Yes, students, getting? Means this metadata is like a comment statement. In the comment statement, whatever the information we are giving, that information, it is like a reference. The comment statement also we write like a reference, or for the additional information. Similarly, this metadata contains the additional information of a program, and in the metadata, whatever the data you are giving or whatever the information you are giving, that will be not displayed in the web page. Getting? In the metadata tag, whatever the information you are giving, that will be not displayed in the output. And this metadata contains the additional information of your program. Additional information of your program. Suppose I'm executing HTML5 tag, HTML5 tags program, or I'm executing table tag program, then I can use meta name is equal to some keywords. So here means here I am defining the keyword, and the content is the information about table. Whatever the information you want to give in the program, you can give. So the metadata, the meta tag is used to give the additional information, and whatever the information you are giving in the meta tag, that will not be displayed in the web page or in the output screen. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we have a navigation tag. What is the meaning of a navigation? Yes, students, what is the meaning of a navigation? The general meaning of
Direction.
navigation, direction. Yes. So the navigation is nothing but the direction. If you switch on your Google Map also, you want to reach to Majestic. So if you open the Google Map, it will navigate. If you are going in our college road, straight road, then after reaching to NES signal, it will show where to go. So there will be after that signal, that police station signal, two ways will come. So if you move towards RMZ Mall also, you can go. If you move towards Old Town also, you can go. But the direction will change. Correct, no, student? The direction will change. So it will show the navigation. Similarly, in HTML also, we use this navigation. This here we if you implement this navigation tag, it will redirect to the next page. Means it will link to the next page. The navigation tag sets a navigation links. In many of the web pages, you have seen that home page. Yes, you have seen, no? Home page, about, contact us, placement. So that is all nothing but a navigation. When you click on that home placement details, it will navigate to you that placement page. If you click on the hostel details, then it will navigate you to the hostel page. I'll show the program. Yes, students, first I'm explaining the program example for a meta tag. Meta tag. See, this is a simple program. We'll see this later. This highlighted portion, we'll see this later. But see what I have written in the body tag. In the body tag, I have written a simple paragraph tag. Simple paragraph tag I have written. So what is the statement in the paragraph tag? All meta information goes in the head section. Okay, all meta information goes in the head section. Now, but you observe the program name, students. Program name I have given the meta. So meta tag I have implemented in this program. So I'll run this program. I will run this program. You observe what will be the output. The output is whatever in the body tag I have written, that it will show as a output. But if you see the header tag, in the header tag, I have declared this meta tag. So as I told just now, this meta tag, it gives the additional information about the program. It gives the additional information about the program, and the statements or the content, whatever you write in the meta tag, it will not be displayed in the output. See, if you see the output, can you see any other information, whatever you have given in the meta tag? No, we cannot see. So just we are giving information, name, description about the program. You can give keywords, name, keywords, any keywords if you have used. Yes, HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, body tag, header tag, any keyboard keywords you have given, you can give, and the name, author, and the content, the author name. There are more than 3-4 authors will be involved to execute a program. You can give here many authors, Joe, John, comma, Rita, comma, any other names, any information you can give. So this by seeing this, what we are understanding, students, the description about the program, the keywords used in the program, or the author details of the program, or the viewport of the program. So all this meta tag contains the additional information. Yes, getting? Today afternoon you have lab students. You have to implement this tag in the lab. Yes, this meta tag contains the additional information about the program, and the statements what we write in this meta tag, it will not be displayed in the output. Getting? Yes, students? Yes, one more meta tag I'll implement here. Meta name, location, content, college. You can execute the program in the college or home, or if it is any home. Meta name, if it is any live project. Content, whatever the tools you have used, you can write here and close the tag. So yes, students, by seeing the statements, we will understand what are the tools and technologies used to run the particular program or particular project. Is this meta tag contains additional information, students? And one more advantage of this meta tag is if a new user or a new employee joins to the organization or join to the company, by seeing the meta information, he will come to know the location, the author, keywords, description, tools, whatever the extra information you have given in the meta tag. By seeing that, he will understand about the program or the project. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, will you have to implement this in the program. Next, I explained you the navigation. I'll run students so that once again you can see the output. So now, just now I have done some changes now. So the output should be only the paragraph tag. Yes. Even after adding so many meta tags in the program, so the output is not changing. But in the source code, we are getting some additional information about the location, about the tools. Any information you want to add, you can add. Yes, students, I have opened this code about the navigation tag. See here, I have implemented the navigation tag. This is the opening of a navigation tag, and this is the closing of a navigation tag. And inside this navigation tag, which tag I have implemented? Anchor tag. What is the one more name of anchor tag, students?
Hyperlink.
Hyperlink. Yes, hyperlink tag. Yes, students, see here. This is a navigation tag. So inside the navigation tag, I have used the hyperlink tag. So here in the hyperlink tag, here we write the address of a program, to which to which page I want to redirect. And this, in the syntax, I have told that what text it should show on the desktop or on the output screen or in the web page. When you click on this text, it will redirect to this path page. This the hash double quote, inside the double quote I have given hash, no, whatever the address or whatever the file name I give. So when you click on this text, it will redirect to that file. So the output of that file. Here I have written just href is equal to hash home, href is equal to hash interview. So still I have not created any file. So just I have created the page, a navigation page. So it is just showing the navigations. So the hyperlink, that hand symbol will come. So interview, languages, data structures, algorithms. Click on the home page. Nothing will happen. It will not navigate. It will not redirect. Why? Why it is not redirecting?
Not specified any link.
Yes. I am not specified any link. So now students, I am creating one HTML file. So here just student, simple HTML file I have created. I'm giving the file name home.html. Home.html. Now I will open my navigation file. Home.html. So I am going to save the program. Yes, students, any doubt? Anybody want to tell anything? Anybody want to tell anything, students? Okay.
No, ma'am.
See, you observe this. You observe the color, students. So the remaining, previously this home was in purple color and now it has changed to blue color and the remaining links are in the same color. Now I'll click on interview. Nothing is happening. I'll click on languages. Yes, students, this will help you to do part B programs. Part B, in part B, you have to do a project, no? You have to implement these tags there. So languages, data structures, algorithm, nothing is happening. Now I'll click on home. Yes, this redirected or this navigated, or this link navigated me to the home page. Welcome to Department of MCA. Because there in the link, I have given the file name, to which file it should redirect. Like this, you can create a different files. Interview. Details about placement. List of companies. List of companies. History tag or ordered list. Okay, students, you observe which are the tags I am using. Ordered list, list item, Cerner, closing the list item, opening the list item. IBM, close the save as. Interview dot. Just for reference, whatever the link I have given, the same file name I am giving students. Some mistake I have done. So I will show, we'll see whether I'll get the output. What mistake I have done, students? I have saved the file, but still I will not get the output. So why? Yes, students. Now I have given some data in the. I have given the hyperlink, or I have given the address for this interview also. Please. Yes, students. Am I getting the details of an interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like this. You have to include the create a HTML page and give the address in the navigation. Here in the navigation, give the language details. Create one page with the language details. Give here file name. Give some information about the data structure and give here the same file name. By which file name you have saved your program. Like this, if you give the address, if you give the reference, it will open. Actually, here I have not closed the ordered list. This web page, my web page, it is very simple. I want to change. I want to do some modification here. So what I can do, how I can do, students? If you want to apply some style to your web page, what you can do?
Style
Divya?
tag.
Style
Style
tag.
tag.
Okay, one second. Divya, are you there, Divya? What I can do? If you want to add some style to the page. Are you there, Divya? Hemalata? Can you hear me, Hemalata?
Yes, ma'am.
What we can do, ma?
We should use style tag, ma'am.
Okay. Inside the style tag, what all we can add?
We can add color, background color, font size, anything.
Okay. Okay. So style tag should be within the head tag. Style tag. Font color. Blue. You students, is it correct?
Ma'am, background is equal to color, no ma'am?
In double quotes, ma'am. No, I mean only the red.
Right.
Only the red.
Only for red, ma'am, double
Only-
quotes.
Yes.
Ma'am, style tag is not closed.
Yes. Any other any other mistake?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, after BJ color is equal to ma'am, not colon. Is equal
One
to.
ನಿಮಿಷ, one ನಿಮಿಷ, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Yes. Yes, students, like this, you can implement the style tag and you can implement the navigation tags. Okay, next we have section tag and article tag. What is the meaning of article? What is the meaning of article? What is the meaning of article? Article is
Artic-
nothing. We write some piece of information. Correct, no, students?
Yeah, some description of something.
Yes. Yes. Description of some data,
Content, ma'am.
some item. Yes.
Content.
Content. Yes. So here we have article tag and section tag. So the article tag is nothing but, sorry, the section tag is nothing but the web page will be divided into different sections, like how we have seen in the frame tag. Yes, students, in the frame tag also we have divided the web page into different sections, row wise and column wise. Similarly, this section tag is used to split the page into different section, and article tag is used to give a particular information or to give some particular instruction or some data, and this article tag is used within the section tag. This article tag is used within the section tag. For these two also I'll show some programs. Yes, understood what is article tag and section tag?
Yes, ma'am.
This Here I have used a article tag. I'm giving some information in each article. In each article, I'm giving some information. This is the first article. This is a second article, and this is a third article. So I'll run the program. So the article elements about the Google Chrome, about Mozilla Firefox, about Microsoft Edge, some information. This is a section tag. Yes, students, one program I want to show. This program is for the option tag, students. This program is for option tag. See this web page. This program I have took from Geeks for Geeks. If you go to this web page, students, you can see so many examples, so many program example you can see. There only you can run and see the output also. See here, this option is for selection of a month. In many of your project, you can implement this to select the place, or to select the month, or to select the food item. If you are developing a web page for a hotel management, or if you are developing a web page for a hospital management, to select different types of treatment, or to select different types of medicines, or to select different types of food items. So for all this, we will use this options. Yes, option tag. Yes, students, in this option tag, we can see all the 12 months of a year: January, February, March, up to December. Yes. How to implement this? How to implement this? And if I do any changes, how it will reflect in the program? You can see here. See here the month, the selection tag, the select tag, and the name is month. The name is month, and different options here included in the program. Different options included in the program. That January, February, March, April, May, June. Now what I do is I will include one more tag, one more selected tag here, students. Select name days. Option selected is equal to selected Yes, students, one more option is included in the program. What is the difference between this and this? Here you can see some information, that is option to choose month and the options here, and it is center aligned. It is center aligned. But just now the one more option I have included. For that option I have not given anything. I have not changed the alignment. I have not given some additional text. I have not given anything. Just I have included the option. So it is without any extra information. Just option is displaying. And
It has come, ma'am, in the left.
where?
left
Yes,
side.
in the left. Okay. Huh. So now I'll take a p tag. Yes, students, here what I'm doing, I'm including a p tag. Inside the p tag I'm giving the style, the text align center, and option to choose day. And after the select tag I'm closing the p tag. I'm closing the p tag. Yes. Now you observe the output, students. Only Monday, Tuesday I have included. Only 2 options are coming in days. In month, all the 12 months are included. So it is showing all the 12 months. Now, I will include the next option. Spelling mistake also you should not do, students. It will not show any error. It will not give the output. Wednesday, close the option. Thursday, close the. So another 2 options I have included. Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So 4 days I have included now. Like this, you can change the output. I mean, you can modify your web page. Students, today you have lab, no, in the afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last week I did not explain the program because of some confusion. Dwarkana sir, he did not take the class last Thursday. So my lab instruction class he took. So today in the lab only I'll explain you the 3rd lab program.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, answer your attendance. Mute yourself now. Answer attendance. 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
Yes, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
Diksha, 18,
Yes,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Divya have texted in chat box, ma'am.
yeah, I know. $24. Yes, students. still I have not come to 27, I think. So where I was?
25, ma'am.
25, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am. Both
28.
mic is shown.
Okay.
Ma'am,
28,
28 present, ma'am.
29, 29. Manoj. 30,
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Yes, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44, Ansari, 44, 44, 45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 49. Soumya, Soumyashri, Ansari, and okay. Purti,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 44 is present. He's
Present,
having
Ansari.
mic
Okay.
issues.
Okay. Well, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ absent ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. We'll check once. Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you in the afternoon for the lab. And in today's lab, I'll check the we'll see the title of your mini project. We'll discuss the title of your mini project. Okay.
What?